Question B11, I enlarge a shape. One vertex of the shape moves from 4,10 to 2,10. The center of enlargement is 0,10. What is the scale factor? Well, let's get some numbers on there first. So put your numbers across the bottom. Put your numbers up the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's plot the points. So the first point of the shape is on 4,10. So that's 4 across 10 up, but that is moving to 2,10 on the new shape. So 2 across 10 up. These aren't points on the same shape. It's the first one is on the old shape, and the 2,10 is on the new shape. So these are just 1 point from the old shape and 1 point from the new shape. We haven't been told where the other points are, but it's moving. And we get told that the center enlargement is 0,10, which I'll mark there with a green dot. Center enlargement, COE for short. Now, to cut a long story short, when you've got a center enlargement, it's all about the distance from the center of enlargement to each corner of the shape. And what we can see is that the distance from the center of enlargement to the old shape is 4. So COE to the old shape, that's a distance of 4 squares. And the center of enlargement to the same corner on the new shape, we know it's the same corner because we got told that the corner moved, is only 2 squares. So it's this distance of 4 squares compared with this distance in orange of 2 squares. And basically, if the distance had been doubled to get to the new shape, then that means the scale factor would be 2. But it hasn't been doubled. It's actually been halved because it's to get from 4 to 2. To get from 4 to 2, you are halving it. Therefore, the answer to this question is that it is a scale factor of a half. Also, you could put 0.5 because 0.5 is equivalent to a half. I know it's not part of the question, but we could look at another corner on the shape. We could say that there was a corner down here at 6,4. Well, that means that is a distance diagonally of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares diagonally. So if that was a corner on the old shape and the scale factor was a half, because we just figured that out, that distance of 6 squares diagonally would half to 3 squares. So the corner on the new shape would only be 3 squares away from the center of enlargement, which would be there at 3,7.